beautiful people. Welcome back to English Talk with Emma, the place where you learn English naturally, easily, and without stress. I am your host, Emma.
And hello, everyone. I am Mark. It is great to be here.
Mark, today is a very special episode. We are going to learn how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Wow, think in English? That sounds amazing.
Yes! This podcast is your English listening practice. So relax, listen, and let's train your brain. But first, Mark, how are you doing today? You look very energetic.
Really? Yes, I am doing fantastic, Emma. I drank 2 cups of coffee this morning, so I am awake. I am ready.
2 cups? Wow, that is a lot of energy. I only had tea, but I am also happy because I love recording this podcast.
Me too. I love it. But Emma, I was a little bit nervous before.
Nervous? Why were? You nervous, Mark?
Because of the topic. I looked at the script. The title is Train Your Brain to Think in English.
Yes, that is right.
It sounds difficult. It sounds like hard work. Train my brain. Like going to the gym for my head. Is it hard?
Mark, relax. Take a deep breath. It is not hard. It is not painful. It is actually very fun. It is like a game.
A game? Okay. I like games. I like winning.
Exactly. We will learn to stop translating. But, Mark, before we start the game,
Yes?
we have a very important favor to ask our listeners.
Oh, right. The favor. Everyone, please, look at your screen. Do you see the like button?
It looks like a thumb up. Please click it. Smash it.
And the subscribe button. If you subscribe to English Talk with Emma, you will not miss any episodes. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it helps us make more free English lessons for you. So thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. Okay, Emma, I am ready. How do I stop translating? Because, honestly, I translate everything.
I know, most students do. Let me ask you, Mark. When you see, let me find something. When you see this object, what do you think?
I think of the word in my language first. Then, my brain looks for the English word. Ah, glass. Water.
Exactly. This is the translation bridge. You see the object, you go to your language, and then you cross the bridge to English.
Yes, it is a long bridge.
It is too long. It is slow. When you speak, you stop. You say, because you are crossing the bridge. We want to destroy the bridge.
Destroy the bridge? That sounds dangerous.
No, it is good. We want a direct connection. See the object, think the English word immediately. Boom. Glass.
Boom. Glass. Okay, I like speed. How do we do this?
We have 4 steps today. Are you ready for step number 1?
I am ready. Step 1.
Step 1 is the labeling game.
Labeling? Like putting a sticker on something?
Yes, exactly. But mental stickers, stickers in your mind. You need to start very small. Don't try to think deep philosophy, just words, nouns. And Mark, try to use a or an.
Nouns with a. Okay, like things I see.
Yes, look around this room, Mark. Tell me what you see. But only the English word. Do not think in your language.
Okay, I see a microphone.
Good. What else?
I see a table. I see a computer. I see a light. Emma.
Yes, I am Emma. Very good. This is level 1. When you are at home or walking on the street, just name things.
Okay, So, if I am in the kitchen, I look at the fridge. I think, the fridge.
Yes,
I see an apple. I think, an apple.
perfect. Do this for 1 or 2 days, just single words. It wakes up your English brain.
That sounds easy. I can do that. What about when I am walking outside?
Same thing. You see a car? Think a car. You see a tree? Think a tree. Not the word in your language, just the English word.
Okay. Step 1 is single words. I can do this. What is step number 2?
Step number 2 is simple sentences.
Now it gets harder.
Only a little bit. We are just adding a verb or an adjective. We connect the words.
Could be an example.
Okay, look at your coffee mark. Step 1 is coffee. What is step 2?
The coffee is hot.
Yes, perfect. Or I drink coffee.
I like coffee.
Exactly. These are simple, easy sentences. SVO. Subject, verb, object.
SVO?
Yes. Subject means who, verb means action, object means what.
Okay. Who, action, what? So I don't need to make complex sentences? Like, the coffee which was brewed in Colombia is very delicious today.
No, 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 no. Stop. That is too hard for now. Keep it simple. Think like a child. Simple sentences like, the coffee is hot, or I am a genius.
Like a child. Okay. The sky is blue. The car is red. The man is walking.
Yes, you are a genius, Mark.
Thank you. I am a genius. I am a genius. That is a simple sentence.
It is, and it is true. This technique is powerful because it builds the habit. You are telling your brain, in this situation, we use English.
It feels natural.
Yes, and you can do this anywhere. In the shower, in the bus. Just look and think simple sentences.
Okay, I have the labeling game and simple sentences. What is step 3?
Step 3 is narration, or talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? Out loud?
Yes, or silently in your head, but out loud is better if you are alone. In this step, Mark, we usually use the present continuous. I am doing.
I am doing. Okay. People will think I am crazy, Emma. Look at that guy. He is talking to the air.
Okay. Do it when you are alone. Do it in your car. Do it in your bedroom. Pretend you are a YouTuber.
A YouTuber? Hello, guys. Welcome to my life.
Yes! Narrate your life. Say what you are doing right now.
Okay, let me try. I am sitting in the chair. I am holding a paper. I am looking at Emma. Emma is smiling.
Perfect. You are narrating the moment. This is very strong practice. It connects the action with the English.
I see. So when I am cooking dinner, I can say, I am cutting the onions. I am crying because of the onions.
Yes. I am putting oil in the pan. The pan is hot. It forces you to find the vocabulary for your daily life.
What if I don't know a word? What if I want to say spatula, but I don't know spatula?
That is a great question. If you don't know the word, don't stop. Describe it. Say, the kitchen tool, or the spoon for cooking. And later, check the dictionary.
Good advice. Don't stop the flow. Just use a different word.
Exactly. The goal is flow, not perfection.
I like this YouTuber technique. I'm going to try it in the shower. I am washing my hair. The shampoo smells good.
The shower is the best place to train your brain. No one can hear you.
True, I sing in the shower too. Maybe I should sing in English.
Oh, absolutely. Singing is great input. Which brings me to. Actually, let's stick to thinking. We have one more big step for thinking.
Okay, step 4. What is it?
Step 4 is the daily review.
The daily review. What does that mean?
This is for the end of the day. When you are in bed, you are tired. You are ready to sleep.
I love sleeping.
Before you close your eyes, think about your day in English. Mark, here we use the past tense. I did.
Ah, I did. Like a movie of my day?
Yes. Ask yourself, what did I do today? And answer in simple English sentences.
Okay, let me try for yesterday. Yesterday, I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate eggs for breakfast. I went to work. I had a meeting.
Yes, keep going.
I drove my car. I went to the supermarket. I bought milk. Then I watched TV.
Excellent. You are using the past tense. This is great grammar practice.
It is. And it is quiet. I don't need to speak out loud. I can just think it in the dark.
Exactly. It helps your brain remember your day in English. It makes English part of your personal life.
This is a very cool tip. I usually think about my problems before sleep.
Don't think about problems. Think about your day in English. It is much healthier.
Okay, so let's review the 4 steps. I want to remember them.
Good idea. Let's recap.
Step 1. The labeling game. Naming objects. A car. A tree.
Correct.
Step 2. Simple sentences. S, V, O. The car is red.
Yes.
Step 3. Narration. Being a YouTuber. Describing what I am doing now.
Perfect.
And step 4. The daily review. Thinking about my day in the past tense before I sleep.
You are an A-plus student, Mark.
Thank you, Teacher Emma. But I have a question.
Ask me.
How long does this take? When will I start thinking in English automatically? Next week?
Oh, Mark, you are impatient. It is not magic. It takes time.
How much time?
It depends on you. If you practice every day, maybe a few months to feel comfortable, but you will feel a difference quickly. Maybe in 2 weeks, you will see a red car and think, a red car, without trying.
That is the goal. Automatic.
Yes, consistency is key. Do a little bit every day. 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there.
I can do that. I have 5 minutes.
Everyone has 5 minutes. Also, Mark, there is one more thing that helps thinking.
What is it?
Input. You need to put English in to get English out.
Ah, listening.
Yes. Listen to podcasts like this one. This is your English listening practice. Listen to English stories. Change your phone language to English.
Change my phone language? Oh, that is scary. I might delete my photos by mistake.
You won't delete your photos. You know the icons, but seeing the words settings, message, call every day, it trains your brain.
Okay, I will try it. I will change my phone to English today.
Brave man.
I am brave. I am an English learner.
That is the spirit. English learners are brave. We are not afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are our friends.
Yes. If you say, I go to the shop yesterday instead of I went, is it a problem?
No. You understand me.
Exactly. Communication is number 1. Grammar comes later. Don't let the fear of grammar stop your brain from thinking.
This is very motivating, Emma. I feel ready to train my brain.
I am so happy to hear that. Well, we are coming to the end of our episode.
Time flies when we are having fun.
It does. But before we go, we have homework for our listeners.
Yes, we love homework. What is the homework today, Emma?
I want you to choose one object in your room right now. Just one. And write a simple sentence about it in the comments.
Just one sentence?
Yes. For example, my phone is black, or the window is open.
That is easy. Everyone can do that.
Yes. Write it in the comments below. Let's show everyone that we are thinking in English.
And tell us, which step do you like the best? Step 1, 2, 3, or 4?
I want to know too.
And please, guys, don't forget to like this video. It takes 1 second. Click.
And subscribe to English Talk with Emma for more listening practice. Share this with your friends who want to learn English.
Yes, let's learn together. A big community of English thinkers.
Thank you so much for listening today. Remember, be patient with yourself. You are doing a great job.
Yes. Keep practicing. Keep talking to yourself. Keep narrating your life.
Until next time, keep your brain training.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye!